Hi guys, welcome to CAD C8 tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a multi-section surface and a wireframe and surface design surface use, and this is a multi-section surface command is discussed here. And multi-section surface command is a very important commands, and this multi-section surface command use a spine. Okay, a spine is very important command. Okay, this is a spine. And guys, at first open a CATIA software and then use a this is our CATIA software interface, and use a and learn here multi-section surface command and use a spine. Okay, at first drawing a plane, YZ plane, click here and then use a this plane is a select here. This is a correct, and two plane is nice. Two plane is nice, but distance is a more. This is a correct. This is perfect. And draw a first is a draw here, and this first is a click here, a sketch, and 3-point arc starting with limit. This is a this point is a drag here. This is a correct. This body is a correct. And some radius is a given here. This is a 40, and exit, and this plane sketch here a rectangle. This is a rectangle, draw here. This point is a this is a rectangle. This point is use a rectangle. And this is a rectangle. This is a correct. And also this is a height, delete here, and and distance is a this is a this 45. Correct. And this is a correct. Exit, and both use a command. This is a perfect command. And also use a this middle point. This command, and this plane is used, and this is a sketch here. And this 3-point arc starting with limit is drag here. This point is a this is a perfect. This point and this point is a select here, and this is a this. Correct. And some radius is a 94. Correct. Exit here. And use a multi-section surface command, and at first this and use a this. This is a arrow is this is a this arrow is downward, and this is a downward, and this is upward, and this is a upward, equal. This is a correct, and preview is showing here. This body is a correct, but spine command is used. This is a spine command. And a spine command is very important, and this click here spine command and select any direction is a this. And preview is showing here. This is a perfect. spine command is very important. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and plane is a hide, and body is looking nice. Okay, this is a correct. Plane is hide. Okay, this is a all is hide. Okay, this is hide because this is a correct. Okay, and material is use this surface. Okay, this is a perfect. Any wood and stone is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a other body is correct. Okay, any this is nice. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is correct, and okay, this is perfect. Okay, isometric view this. Okay, this is a and zoom. Okay, this is perfect. This body is okay, zoom. Okay, and guys, multi-section surface command use a spine, and this is a very helpful, and this is a very useful and helpful command is very important also, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is very useful. Okay, this is also correct. Perfect. Isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, okay guys, correct. This is a correct. Okay, perfect guys. Multi-section surface is finished, and this is a all kind of multi-section surface, and guys, more multi-section surface is all more than practice, then all practice available here. And CATIA, this channel is a CATIA practice learn. Okay, CATIA practice tutorial, then all multi-section surface command learn here, and more than more practice here. Okay, and go to CATIA practice tutorial, and then all multi-section surface command all type available here. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.